So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, taking a Class B like this up through curvy mountain roads is no problem at all. It shouldn't really cause you much anxiety because this van is not much bigger than like a big Suburban or something like that. It's taller, yeah, but in terms of the length and stuff like that. So, you know, these roads are pretty narrow, as you can see here, and they're pretty curvy and hilly. And I mean, I don't really have much anxiety. Now, if a car comes my direction, I'm gonna have to pull over a little bit to let him pass, but that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, let's get things set up. I'm starving. Let's get things set up for breakfast this morning. So I thought what I'm going to do this morning for breakfast is I've got, for lunch, I've got leftovers from last night from my home chef from last night. Let me show you that. And it's really yummy. It's a turkey burger with a nice fresh pretzel bun. Can you see that okay in there? And then some homemade home-cut fries. So I'm going to have that for lunch, and I'm hungry, so I'm going to have that right around noon today. So I'm going to have a rather light breakfast, and I'm going to do kind of protein only. I'm only going to do a couple hard-boiled eggs this morning. Here's our Nespresso. I got to get my coffee going too. And you know what else I'm going to do is, where is it? Here, this one. Since we're boiling the eggs, I'm actually going to get started. I'm going to start boiling the water in this thing because it's a little more efficient. Probably don't need to, but I'm going to. And then transfer it over to the pan because I think that'll just be a little more efficient as it comes to, so let's see, fill the pan up. I only need 2 eggs, that's probably too much. But you know what, I'll use some of this for me. Now some of you may notice I am drinking this water, but we've got chlorination tablets in the water, and it's also not summer, so I think it's okay. And it's going to be boiled anyways through the coffee maker, so he says before his serious bout of dysentery. Right, so the other part of this I'm going to just pour in here until this is filled up. As far as there we go. So it's just a little bit. This is filled up, and there's just a little tiny bit in here. I don't know if you can see. There's not much in there. So we'll get that started. Oh, is the gas? Oh, the gas isn't on. Ha! Gotta turn the gas on. There we go. So get that going, and let's get this one going as well. All right. Put this lid on. Get those going. Yeah, it's going to be super simple this morning. Okay, maybe it's a little longer than 30 seconds. Okay, there we go. That doesn't help. That's nice. Yeah, I buy this. Let me show you. So, I buy this coffee from Trader Joe's. It's a great decaf coffee. Can you see that? It's Lavazza. And they make both regular and decaf, and it's not too expensive. Like compared to Nespresso pods, which are about 75 cents or something like that a pod, these are really cheap. I think these are less than 30 cents a pod. But if you want even cheaper, these are really good. I get these from Amazon. Garibaldi. They make a bunch of different ones. This is the decaffeinated one, and these are even cheaper. These are like 20 cents a pod because you get them. There's 10 in here, and then you get a package of 10 of these. So that's 100 capsules, and I think it's around $25 or something like that. It's not expensive at all, and it's good. They're both really fine coffees. Oh, we got a lot of steam in here. Is this thing done yet? Almost. It's boiling. You know what? You're done. You're boiling. I don't need to wait. There we go. Okay. I don't know how much. I don't know how much energy that really saved, to be quite honest with you, for propane, but I feel good about it. I'm just gonna put 2 eggs in. What I did notice about these shells from my neighbor's chickens, these eggs, is that they are very thin. They're fragile. So I gotta be super careful when I'm working with them, otherwise they'll crack open and I'll have a egg soup in there. Okay, now we're good. Let's just set a timer. Set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Counting down.
Thank you, Siri. Let's turn that down and then we can start talking. Well, all that dirt has come off. It's all boiled away. Nice, clean eggs. Okay, I'm going to let those are obviously super duper hot. I'm going to put some cold water on them. Cool them down fast. Let's just let those sit for a second.